is sponsored by Hoosiers Hardware. They are located at 110 Northwest 1st Street, Paoli, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, October 9th. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Drama Club will be having auditions for The Sound of Music today after school. We will meet in the band room. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the radar today, we may have slight chance of rain later on in your week. Today we have a high of 77 and a low of 56. Looking later in your week, we have a high of 81 and a low of 64 on Thursday, and then on Friday we have a high of 76 and a low of 39. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.